What is up, guys? This is Augie TX. We're here at Oliver Nature Park in Mansfield, Texas, and I'm actually here for a coworker's gender reveal. But I got a couple minutes to kill, and I always keep stuff in my trunk. So let's see if I can catch anything.
Can I be in the video?
You will be. Not right yet. Not right now. You want to say hi to the camera?
Hello.
Which way should we go? I've never been here before.
So you have to go like, hey, I got a fish.
Yeah, I'll take a picture for them or show them a video.
Did you show them a video of me?
Yeah.
Because look at me.
Okay, you want to reel it in? Okay, now this type of fishing, you have to keep reeling it in.
Why?
Just like slowly and then kind of jerk it like this. Right? That's
One side. Daddy, why is this rainbow?
it's a different kind of line.
And why do you have a new fishing pole?
It's the same fishing pole. I just have two fishing poles.
No, you have three.
Oh yeah, yours too, right?
No, you have three.
I have three. What do you mean?
You have two, and then you added one more.
I didn't add any.
Yes, you did. You added this one.
No.
One, two, four.
Okay. We'll take turns, okay? Okay, watch out.
Looks like the audience.
Here you go.
Add.
Augie TX, that's right. Here.
Can I just wait for a minute?
You can wait. You can wait for a little bit, yeah.
And people who are watching this, don't go like,
Don't reel it in fast. That's not how you catch it.
you have to do it slowly if you have one like this. Oh, I got one pole. Two poles.
Okay. Let me throw it again for you.
Yeah. That would be one button.
Yeah. Okay, now it's my turn, right?
And then you get to go. Hello. I'm taking a hike.
Yeah. And you're wearing my camera?
I'm showing you around.
Okay.
This is the pond that we were fishing at.
Yeah.
I think my dad still wants to fish.
I still want to fish. I always want to fish.
Yeah.
Well, if
He always
it stops,
wants
I'm going to throw it. I'm in the cast.
You're weird.
I'm weird. I'm not weird.
You always want to fish with me after something.
Yeah. So, you like to watch your tablet and make YouTube videos. I like to fish.
I actually do.
Okay. We can keep going.
Daddy, would you lead us
No, you lead because you have the camera.
with your giant fishing pole? Ooh,
You see those turtles in there?
no. Look at that tree.
Oh yeah, but see, look in the water. Ooh, this is gonna be a good one. Okay.
Do, do, do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Daddy, I only got one pole.
Okay. It's okay. Sometimes we don't catch any fish.
I got 2 poles. Oh, I need to. You should get it over there. I just saw a bubble.
Oh yeah. Oh, what'd you catch?
A leaf.
A leaf.
I caught a leaf. And I almost caught a stick.
You almost caught a stick? That's not what we're trying to catch. All right, so we are done fishing after the gender reveal party. It was a girl, by the way. That's what you wanted. Are you excited about that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, and we were wearing pink.
Yeah, we were wearing pink. That's why I'm wearing pink. That's why Kiri was wearing pink, right? So
And I still have some pink on.
yeah, some pink right there. So, hey Kiri, how many fish did we catch today?
0.
0. What does that mean? We got
Stop.
skunked.
Uh,
Skunked means we caught 0 fish. Did you still have fun though? Yeah, but it'd be more fun if we caught some fish.
it would be more fun if the sound wasn't here.
Oh yeah, she kept hearing like some footsteps in the woods. So creepy. Okay.
Let's
All right.
be quiet so they can hear it.
I just hear a motorcycle. Okay, so if you like our videos, even though we didn't catch anything, you want to do that, thumbs up. If you want, what? Oh yeah, you want to smash that subscribe button, right?
Yes.
And keep watching our videos, right?
And I have my own video.
Yeah. What? Shout out to Kiri's channel. What's your channel?
Kiri's Toy Review.
Kiri's Toy Review. All right. All right. Bye, guys.
Bye. I bet my voice sounds weird.